Fun science experiments for kids. Hello, kids. Are you ready to discover the magic of science through some amazing and entertaining experiments? Today, we're going to dive into the world of science by creating fun and easy-to-follow experiments right at home. So, grab your lab coats, bottled water, and let's get started. Experiment 1. Lava in a glass. Materials: clear glass, water, food coloring, effervescent tablets such as Alka-Seltzer. Instructions: 1. Fill the glass about 1/3 full with water. 2. Fill the rest of the glass with water and add a few drops of food coloring. 3. Break an effervescent tablet into smaller pieces and drop one piece into the glass. 4. Watch as the colorful bubbles rise and fall like a volcano. Experiment 2. Invisible inks. Materials: lemon juice, cotton swab, white paper. Instructions: 1. Squeeze lemon juice into a bowl. 2. Dip the cotton swab into the juice and write a secret message on the paper. 3. Let the paper dry completely. 4. Try rubbing away the lemon juice and surprise! The message remains hidden. Experiment 3. Homemade slime. Materials: glue, water, Play-Doh or clay, food coloring optional. Instructions: 1. Mix equal parts of water and glue in a bowl to create a thick slime mixture. 2. Add food coloring if you want your slime to be colored. 3. Knead the slime with your hands or use a rolling pin to make it into your desired shape. 4. Let the slime dry completely before playing with it. Conclusion, and there you have it. 3 exciting science experiments that you can do at home with just a few simple ingredients. Remember to always be careful and have adult supervision when conducting experiments. Have fun and stay curious, kids.